El Nido, a paradise nestled in the western region of the main island of Palawan, is the place where limestone mountains meet turquoise waters, and the white sand beaches stretch along the dramatic coastline. On our visit to the Philippines in March 2024, we were able to experience the magic of El Nido on a cloudy day, discovering the beautiful coast and enjoying the natural beauty that surrounds this tropical haven. Our day began with a short scooter ride from the town of El Nido to the Corong Corong beach. Unlike the bustling main beach of El Nido that gets super crowded, especially in the morning when all the island hopping tours start, Corong Corong offers a more laid-back atmosphere. The actual beach itself may not be the most exciting, but its proximity to the town makes it an excellent choice for a relaxing day by the sea. We parked our scooter in one of the small lanes that leads to the beach near the main vegetable market. As we made a little walk towards the beach, we noticed the boats gently swaying in the shallow waters. The beach was dotted with palm trees and many local trees, proving much-needed shade. We decided to walk further along the beach, and we could see the entire beach was lined by old beach houses. Some converted to hotels, some looked like homes for the locals. One local family was renting out kayaks, and they were pretty cheap. They offered to rent the two-person kayak at 400 pesos for the entire day. Turns out that you can kayak to the nearby Seven Commandos beach too. We decided to just be the beach bum and enjoy the running clouds and the soft sand. We spread our towels on the sand right at the edge of water and just gazed at the lapping water and the dramatic horizon dotted with tiny island peaks. Cloudy sky added a touch of drama, and the distant islands seemed to merge at the horizon because of the dark clouds and mist. From Corong Corong, we made our way to Las Cabanas Beach, which is just a short distance away. The drive was a beautiful mountain road with little glimpse of the coast down below. When we reached there, we realized it's completely opposite of the Corong Corong beach. The entrance is a huge mall. It had McDonald's and a lot of eateries and shops. We passed them on our way down to the beach. The beach, though, was something out of a fantasy movie, and even though pretty commercialized, was really serene. We again decided to have a walk along the slow lapping waves, dipping our toes in the cold seawater as we made our way towards the end of the beach. The beach was lined by cafes, restaurants, hotels overlooking the sea with dramatic cliffs on their back, lush green trees, and white sand. For the rest of the day, we sat on the beach, listening to the distant rumble of thunders. Little raindrops began to fall, creating ripples on the Uthasi waters. And we realized El Nido had cast a spell on us, where even a cloudy day felt like a gift.